truth. I can pick it up. You scared me.
You look at it like it's nasty.
I know. I just cheated. That part was good. All that was cooked.
Yeah, that part is good. You cooked it too long. But that's good.
All right. Now it's the moment of truth. This got some serious slime in it. Woo! Ugh. It's so gross. Okay. So I did it. I ate it.
So yeah, that's not for you.
Mm-mm.
That's funny.
Ooh. Okay. I can't even say how I feel about the taste. Like, it tastes like an egg. But the texture was not, ooh. Woo, yeah, that was not it for me. All right, so there's a bit left. I ain't going for it. I did it. I tried it. And as far as the sunny side egg how you say it? However, that's a thumbs down for me. Thumbs down. But for you guys who eat it, thumbs up for you. I don't know if it's just because of me and it's a mind thing, but I promise that slime left a strange texture in my mouth. Like right over here, because I refuse to swish it around. But yes, it left a gross texture in my mouth. I mean, not texture, I can feel where it was at. Let's just say that, like, I can feel where it was at. But anyways, yes, sunny side egg up. My baby, she likes it. I don't. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm very squeamish about a lot of stuff, but I am very excited about trying new things and trying out new foods and things of that sort. So guys, thanks for checking out this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know down in the comments if you eat sunny side up eggs, and if you don't, and what you don't like about it. Because like I said, what's the slime, y'all? The slime. But anyways, all right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.